Okay, real quick, I need to break away on a tangent off of this primary job I'm working on. See, I have found recently there's been some moderate success in me making really short videos, and I'd like to make a very short video right now to illustrate something. I have a stock lug nut, or they're actually studs. Yeah, these are Volkswagen studs. Das Auto. Anyway, this one appears to be somewhat stuckish. I think I can get it off, but what I wanted to show you is really cool. And I'm gonna use the thermal imager to do such things, if I can calibrate it properly. Okay, so we're looking at our lug nut here. Looks fairly inert. Temperatures are similar to its surrounding atmosphere. But I can't get it off, so I'm gonna hit this pretty hard with the impact gun, and we're gonna see what happens to this socket. So stand by, this is gonna be a fun little short video. Beginning removal process now. Uh-oh, my gun's hot. Oh yeah, loud noises. Please come off. Please. A little bit more. Ooh, gun's getting really hot. Ah, flashlight gravity. Saw that coming. There it goes. Got it. Sweet. Okay. I'm not gonna break scene, so sorry for the goofy, weird camera angles. I don't want to do this in cut because I want to make sure it's authentic. All right, so we're busting out the little fire meter thing again, and look at that. Look at how much heat went into that socket. Just trying to get the lug nut out. I find that to be impressive. And look at the heat that's in the lug. And just for comparison, here was a not stuck lug. Here's what we'll do. Stuck, not stuck. And that's hot. All that just from a couple little impacts. Thought you guys would like to see that. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Have a great day.